We're here today at Squaremeter Gardens, Enugu. Squaremeter Gardens is one of our best properties currently in Enugu that comes with a C of O. You can see the signboard, Squaremeter Gardens. It is just off Enugu-Onitsha Expressway. It is registered, you can see the beacons, all registered on ground. It is a mountain view kind of property. So like you can see, that is it right there. It's a mountain view kind of property. And from Squaremeter Gardens, you can literally see the whole of Enugu. This is beautiful. If you're looking for an estate land that is up on a hill, then this is it for you. And like you can see, there are a lot of development around it. That is another estate coming up right there. And they are definitely tying the roads up until the third road. The third road is somewhere there. That's Enugu-Onitsha Expressway. Like you will see, this place comes with a C of O, and at the moment is selling for just 8 million naira. This property is 8 million naira is the entry price, and is literally a giveaway. By the time we start the perimeter fencing, the gate housing and stuff, this property goes up to 10 million naira before the end of August. And you can see the environment, it is fast developing. Comes with a C of O, 500 square meters. So call me today on 0809 6737 668 to secure your plot here at Squaremeter Garden Estate. Enjoy a great day.